Good day, students. We have physics. Today's date is 28th of March 2023. Our topic is equation of rectilinear motion. Linear motion. Recall that acceleration A is equal to V minus U all over T. Making V the subject of the formula, we have that V is equal to U plus AT. Call this equation 1. Recall that displacement S is equal to U plus V all over 2 multiplied by time. That is average velocity times time. Substitute sub equation 1. Anywhere you see V, you put U plus AT. You have that displacement S is equal to U plus AT all over 2 multiplied by time. Displacement S is equal to U plus U will give me 2U plus AT times T will give me AT squared all over 2. This will give me that S is equal to 2U plus half AT squared. Equation 2. Recall from equation 1 that V is equal to U plus AT. Making T the subject of the formula, I have that T is equal to V minus U all over A. Substitute. Recall that displacement S is equal to average velocity times time. That is U plus V over 2 multiplied by time. I have that S is equal to U plus V over 2 multiplied by V minus U all over A. Displacement S is equal to U times V will give me UV. U times minus U will give me minus U square. Plus V times V will give me plus V square. Plus V times minus U will give me minus UV. 2 times A will give me what? 2A. Therefore, I have that S is equal to UV can cancel minus UV. S is equal to minus U squared plus V squared all over 2A. Crossing multiply, I have that 2AS. 2A times S will give me 2AS is equal to minus U squared plus V squared. Making V the subject of the formula, I have that V squared is equal to U squared plus 2AS. I call this equation 3. These are the equations of rectilinear motion, where A stands for acceleration, V is the final velocity, measured in meter per second, U is the initial velocity, measured in meter per second, and T is the time, measured in seconds. Remember that displacement S is the average velocity times time, and the time T, making T the subject of the formula from equation 1, we say that V is equal to U plus AT. We have that T is equal to V minus U all over A. You substitute T. Anywhere you see T, you put what? You put V minus U all over A, which gave us that S is equal to U plus V over 2 multiplied by V minus U all over A. And that gave us that S is equal to U times V will give us UV, and U times minus U give us minus U squared, plus V times V give us V squared, plus V times minus U, because plus times minus will give us minus, and V times U will give us UV. All over 2 times A will give us 2A. Collecting the like terms, UV minus uv will give us 0. And we have s is equal to minus u squared plus v squared over 2a. Therefore, 2as, 2a times s will give us 2as is equal to minus u squared plus v squared. Making v squared the short of the formula, we have that v squared is equal to u squared plus 2as. Thank you, class.